Hi everyone, welcome back to Clota Technology. Today, we are quickly diving into SQL Server replication, a method to copy, distribute, and sync data across databases for consistency and integrity. What is SQL Server replication? Replication lets you copy data and database objects from one server to another, keeping them in sync to ensure accuracy and availability. Coming to the key components, we are having 6 components. There are article, a database object like a table of view. Publication, a collection of articles made available by the publisher. Publisher, the source database that publishes the data. Distributor, manages the distribution process, holds metadata, and acts as a bridge between publisher and subscriber. Subscriber, the destination server that receives and may also modify data. Subscription, a request for data from publications that define what the subscriber will receive. There are 2 types of subscriptions. Those are push subscription, which can be described as the distributor initiates data transfer to a subscriber. It works best when you need centralized control over replication. Pull subscription, the subscriber pulls data from the distributor. It is ideal when the subscriber controls synchronizing timing, such as in remote or distributed environment. Types of SQL Server replications. There are mainly 3 types of replications. Those are transactional replication, designed for high-volume, real-time environments. Changes at the publisher are captured and delivered to subscribers in the same order, using the log reader agent and distributor. A snapshot is used only during initialization. Second one is snapshot replication. Data and schema are captured at a specific moment in time. Distributor applies this read-only snapshot to the subscriber. It's ideal for small table or less frequent updates. Third one is merge replication. Allows both publisher and subscriber to make changes. Track changes using trigger and metadata tables. Uses conflict resolutions rules when the same data is modified at both ends. Best for mobile or occasionally connected applications. Why use SQL Server replication? Increases data availability across locations. Improves application performance by bringing data closer to users. Maintains consistency and integrity, helps with load balancing, offline processing, and scalability. Thank you for watching. At Clota Technology, we offer expert SQL Server support, high availability and disaster recovery, web and cloud solutions, custom software development. To learn more, you can visit us at www.clotatech.com. Thank you for watching. Like, share and follow Clota Technology for more quick tech insights. Until next time, happy learning and happy